bypass this right through, just to make sure this door does not swing open on me while I'm transporting it. Beautiful. Honestly, this is a good way to load up shipping containers. Honestly, the way I do it, I'm just doing this for demonstrations on how I load shipping containers. If you guys see what I'm doing, I'm raising the rear end of the truck up because it is a rear wheel drive. Raising it up, raising it up, bring the truck in. And what that does, I could scoop up the shipping container like a spatula, basically. Scoop it up, slide the bed under it, and little by little just creep up. I mean, that is a good way to unloading shipping containers, but the way I do it is I raise the edge of the bed up just enough so it's off the ground, and I just reverse the truck all the way, until the shipping container is loaded. That's the way I do it. Let me check the other side because I did see that they have something on the other side that's glass. I don't want to damage anything. I'll just put this over here. That right there is glass, so I'm gonna be really careful over here. Yeah, this is, like I said, this is a good way on loading shipping containers. But it's too time consuming. There we go. Like I said, I could have just reversed the truck all the way, just so the shipping container is loaded. Excuse me. And as you can see right there, she's almost up against the winch. So that's how I know it's loaded. So in order for it to be secured on here so it doesn't, roll off or anything like that, just grab this hook. Throw it just like that. Hook it up right there, and then on the other side. And then once I bring the bed in, that chain is going to tighten up and it's going to hold the container in place. Alright, now let me bring the bed just enough. And as you guys can see, I moved it up just a little bit, and the chain is tight, so the shipping container, as soon as I bring the bed in, the shipping container is going to come along with the bed. Do that. And that's that. that part taken care of. Now I just got to secure the back. So we'll hook on this side. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, she ain't going nowhere. Let's wrap this around so it's not dragging. I think I made it. So like right here. I'm definitely gonna still feel the weight of it, so still got a whole lot of slack on this strap. Yeah, like I said, it's not heavy, but I definitely will feel the weight of it. This one's on. This one I gotta tighten up just a little bit more. There we go. That one's good. This chain is good. We're all good. Oh, the AC feels so amazing in here. But all right, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Welcome back. Right now I'm on my way to go pick up a motorcycle that was involved in an accident. I'm assuming it's just him that got involved in an accident. It's just a one-person accident thing. From what I heard, he's all right. Could have been a lot worse, especially because he's in a motorcycle. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. Could have been a lot worse. That's good, that's good. Yep. It's a technique that I do.
So what I'm doing here is I'm putting a zip tie around the brake, just so when I level the bed out, the brake will still be intact and the bike will not move.
I couldn't come here fast enough because they closed the bridge. No, like they told me like involving like other cars. Yeah. They told me it was a bike, but yeah. Not a problem.
And what I'm doing here is I'm pushing the bike towards the winch, just so when I'm driving, the bike will be in place and it won't move front or backwards while I'm driving and towing the motorcycle. It's a little technique that I do just so, you know, I feel more safe, or the bike is more safe when I'm towing it.
hot. It's just hot. It's humid. Alright guys, and just like that. Good to go. Alright guys, enough of me blabbering on about this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. What's up guys, welcome back to another tow. Right now my dispatcher just called me up and told me that there is a disabled vehicle on the center lane of the Long Island Expressway, and it is 3:50 right now. So rush hour is we're right in the middle of rush hour, so I know traffic is gonna suck right now. Let's just hope that it's a quick one. Make sure nobody's coming. Nope. Alright. Yeah, let's just hope it's a quick one. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright guys, so I'm just passing on the other side of the scene, and looks like they managed to move it over. So it's on the shoulder, thank goodness. But this is not gonna be an easy one because I just saw the car is like significantly low to the ground. Modified suspensions, aka coilovers or airbags suspension. So with this one, I'm gonna have to put wood on the ground to make ramps, and that way it won't damage anything on the car. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright guys, let's do this. Gonna have to put wood down. This wood is broken. Just a little bit.
Alright guys, and just like that, she is loaded. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.